The interviewing process is a guessing game. So I don't know why organizations are overcomplicate this whole process. There is no science behind interview questions. If you think that the behavioral competency-based questions are going to indicate whether the person is going to do a good job or not, well, you are mistaken. Now here, let me give you a bad example and two good examples of what companies are doing. Now this is from the hotel industry, first-hand information from my colleague. He was the general manager, hiring a head of department, I think the F&B director, and this was the process. HR interviews, then the general manager interviews, then the HR VP interviews, the VP of operation interviews, the COO, and then the owner. Like, that person is not running the country. We don't need 6 steps with senior bloody executives. Like, don't they have better things to do than recruit or interview head of department at directory level? Now, this is in my book, and let me read 2 really good hiring practice. Now, you can't do that for every single role, but entry role, absolutely. Now I'm going to read this for you. Since 1982, Greystone Bakery in New York, which produces millions of pounds of baked goods annually, has used this approach while building a successful business with 70 open hire employees. New hires are offered a position when their name comes up next on the list of people who have expressed interest in working at the bakery. No resume, job interview, background check, or drug test is required. As a result, the business has virtually no hiring cost. And listen now. Greystone then invests around $2,000 in hard and soft skills training for new bakers and provides access to extensive wraparound services. And the second good example is this. The Body Shop, the international cosmetic company, which piloted open hiring in one of its distribution centers. The Body Shop typically hires 200 seasonal employees in North Carolina warehouse to handle the holiday rush. Adopting the open hiring approach in late 2019, recruiters asked people 3 questions. Are you legally allowed to work in the US? Can you stand on your feet for 8 hours? And can you lift up to 50 pounds? The result? Executives said that they could quickly fill positions with fewer resources during the holiday rush. Turnover among the seasonal workers was down by 60% over the previous year, and warehouse productivity increased by 13%. Management reported the best hiring season in the distribution center in years. Now, you cannot do that for senior roles or managerial roles, and I understand that. But entry-level roles, why are we overcomplicating the recruitment process? Why does it take us 12 weeks to get back to somebody or select somebody for a entry-level role? That is why you guys cry about talent shortage. There's no talent shortage. Well, there is. It's your talent that is at shortage because you can't recruit.